Dad, why we need this?
What's up, everybody? You know what this is. Actually, you don't. This is the Mom's Family Adventures, and today we are doing the gallon slime.
Dad, why we need that?
Roxanne, we need it for the slime. So right now we have the Elmer School glue. And we have 2 shaving creams. Not for my face.
Yeah, for
we have some food coloring. And we have Tide. If you do not know, we're gonna pour all of this in here. So let's do it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and we also have a spatula.
Can I drop it and spin it?
Not right now. We're gonna pour this in. Let's pour the glue in, guys.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Roxanne, help me pour the glue in. Oh yeah. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Pour it. Baby, we're gonna need more glue than that.
Why?
We are gonna need more glue.
No, let me do it.
Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, you're slow. Watch out. Oh.
Oh my god.
Squeeze it.
Mix it.
I feel like I'm fixing to make a mess. I feel like I'm living a childhood all over again. Not yet, baby.
Oh. It smells dirty.
So, guys, now that we got a gallon of glue, let it sit there and let it all come out. This thing looks like, oh my god, it is heavy.
Pop the bubble. Pop the bubble. You got it.
I feel like you're kidding.
Not mixing. Not mixing.
Okay. So now, what we're gonna do next is we gotta pour shaving cream.
Let me do it.
Hold on, baby, we'll do this together. So that's pretty much it out of that one. Now we're gonna spray. Open your shaving cream. Boom. 1.
Wait, where?
I'll let you, baby. 2. So now that you have your glue, you want to pour the shaving cream in there.
Well, I can do this.
Build a shaving cream paradise.
I got it,
Shaving cream paradise. Put it on your above your lip.
No.
So we gotta finish pouring this in. So.
Now mix it.
Wait. Yeah, we'll go ahead.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna have to throw 1 cup of Tide in, right?
Not right now. You gotta mix it first.
Baby, mix it.
I feel like dumping my face in there.
So right now, this is what you got.
Can I mix
We have mixed it up. I don't know if they can see it or not. Come on, my pretties. This is what we got, guys.
How do you open this?
So I think I'm gonna add some food coloring in it. Let's give it some style.
I'm cool.
What color do you want to use?
Pink. I love pink. And
Let's see if we can find pink. We'll throw pink in there for now.
Okay.
Because you don't want to get it all mixed up.
Can
So
I do
pour some in there. Take the lid off. And put some drops in there. Make a smiley face.
Oh, make it pinker. I see it.
Looks like strawberry ice cream. That's how it looks, guys.
No, don't let it spill. Oh yeah, but don't let it spill.
This thing is packed.
Wait, let me.
God, it makes me want to eat it.
Let me do it. Let me mix it. Look how much. Oh my god.
So basically, after you do that, you want to pour some Tide in there. I don't know how many. How many you think we should pour?
Well, we should put a couple on each edge, right?
Like 1 right here, 1 scoop here.
And then
I got my arm.
edges.
So pour a scoop in all 4 edges. 1 scoop and all 4 edges.
Ew.
If you don't know what Tide does, it acts as an activator. And then
Roxanne is gonna go in.
And then we mix it again.
What?
Mix it, right?
Yeah.
activator.
Your pencil!
I don't care.
He don't care
This
if your
thing
pencil
is
wet.
like super thick.
It's massive.
Big.
Oh my god. What is that?
Oh God! It's bending!
This thing is awesome. Okay, guys.
Thicker.
So you want to go and you want to... I had to use my hands.
So thicker.
Ah,
I can't do it.
let's see how it looks. That right there, you just made yourself some thick slime. Thick slime, people.
Cut through it. Come on. I try.
Roxanne, hold the bowl down. Hold the bowl down. Baby, get that out of there.
Okay.
This thing is thick. Hold the bowl down.
You just gotta
Sticker.
keep
Okay.
working through it so you can actually.
They actually have to...
Oh my god.
And then
This thing is awesome.
so big, so thicker. I love pink. Ah!
Like a cat massaging a dog's butt.
How do you know how that feels?
I don't know.
Ah!
Oh my god, it's like it's eating. Ah! Veronica's got me! Ah!
Maybe you need some more activator.
I think I do.
It's sticky.
Roxanne, do me a favor. Pour some more activator in there. That's probably what's making this whole thing sticky.
Ah.
Okay, pour some in there because it's coming out like weird.
Oh!
Come on, unscrew this here. Okay, take the lid off.
Look at that.
One
Make
gallon
your
of
bed
bubble
thicker.
gum. That's what it looks like. One giant gallon of bubble
I
gum.
want to touch it. I got
Roxanne, stick your hand in there. Help me. Help me massage it.
Can I help?
Yeah. Over here. Feel like water.
Ah, no, that looks like slime.
Slimy.
You can feel it.
Right? That looks like slime.
My
That's
hand.
real slime.
Took my hands there. Oh,
I
yeah.
I almost did that. I almost shoved my face. I almost wanted to stick my face in it. My hand is stuck.
Imagine making a pancake out of
Oh
this.
my god.
Ah, God.
Oh my god. This is freaking epic.
This is
Guys.
so weird. Yeah.
Look what we made, guys.
So slimy. So thicker.
Oh, it's all over me. It is all over
I
me.
just heard mine pop.
Yeah, they what? Let's see if we can make some air bubbles.
Look. If you squeeze it hard, you could hear a pop.
Greg, the spatula is getting sucked into it.
Come on. Roxanne, don't let it burn. There you go.
Saving.
I think we should put it on the table.
And will it be able to last on the table?
Ah, yeah.
Daddy, what are you
On the
doing?
table.
Didn't look.
No, it won't.
Ah. What the
Yeah,
wall?
we'll keep it in top.
Wait, take this. Take
Ah!
God.
That thing is like heavy. I'm getting a workout on my shoulders.
Take it off. Take it off. Ah.
It's in, man. Ah! Oh my god,
So
I'm
thicker.
really...
So thicker. Oh yeah, I can do it all day.
I'm forming into it, Veronica.
Wow. I'm farming
Well,
into
guys.
it. Look.
This has
You
been...
can put it on the table.
Yeah, let's get it out. Roxanne, move.
Or just pour it on the table.
Roxanne,
Like,
move it.
like a pancake.
What?
Oh yeah, like a pancake, right?
You stupid.
Move
Watch
this.
out. Turn like this, look.
Oh heck no.
Look. Ah.
No! It didn't get stick.
Here, hold this.
Oh, your hand went in.
What?
Oh no! Yeah!
Drum roll, please.
Yeah!
Okay. Okay, wait, watch out, watch out.
Let's see Gregina versus that.
Okay, ready? Da, 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 da.
This is how crusty.
Look, let's make little head. Let's make little head.
Oh!
Oh, there's a bubble.
I got the bubble. That's how crusty crabs are made. I mean, crust
Hold on, ready?
crabs are made.
I'm trying to get some air bubble in there.
Oh!
Oh, it's eating my food coloring.
Ah! Ah!
Ah!
It ate your food coloring.
Ah! Veronica.
I see you. No, you didn't.
Oh, my nose! Oh, look, there's a bubble in it. Oh, there's a bubble! There's a bubble! This thing's making bubbles.
Oh, God.
It's dripping, guys. Dripping. Oh, we're making bubbles everywhere. Oh, they're popping up. Roxanne, see if you can push on it. Let's make more bubbles.
Go on my shirt. Go on my shirt.
Yeah, that's the bad thing about that. It gets stuck in your shirt. It's hard to come off.
Not really. It just came off my pants. Okay, I don't know about you. You're making a mess.
I won't even watch now.
Okay, Roxanne. I'm gonna need your help to make a giant air bubble. You ready?
Fair.
It's okay. It's okay. You think I should?
No, your glasses are gonna get stuck in there.
Look! I'm making a bubble. Okay, ready? Ready? Make a big bubble?
Yeah.
Pick that side up. Pick that side up. This ain't going as planned. This is too slimy.
Look.
Veronica, you should really come over here. This is like a stress reliever. I feel great.
Are we done?
Okay, guys. Guys, this was a fun adventure.
No.
I want to tell y'all right now, y'all smash that thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think. And we will be doing this again. So see y'all soon. Bam. Hit that like button and share.
It's a pop on my own. I keep it there. Keep it there.
Okay, baby. Put that back
She keeps coming. She's having to keep this.
Put that in a bowl.
She's getting more and
Here,
more.
look. Put it in a bowl. You can play with it as long as it's in a bowl. And don't get it everywhere.
Okay, get everyone.
Here, bring that close to me. Bring that close to me. Veronica, help me here. Come help me real quick. Babe, come here. Come help me.
What are we doing?
Babe, come here. Come help me. Come fill this. Oh, wait. Let mommy fill it. Let mommy fill it.
Whoa.
I know, it feels thicker. It's thicker.
That
It's
is
thicker.
so odd. Look.
Oh my God!
I got the piece! Piece of justice!
Oh, what was that? She hit me.
Give it.
Aha! You're slow, aren't you?
I can't. It's almost flubbery. Almost got you.